Hello. The other day I showed you these magazines, Creative Stamping, issue 121, and then the Papercraft Essentials, and it is issue 224. And I really like these. I bought them together. This one, Creative Stamping, came with a lot of really cute stamps. I got a zebra, giraffe, elephant, lion, his old lady, jaguar, all kinds of stuff. Anyway, oh, there you go. Now you can see it better, So this was awesome, and I wanted to use this. And then the other one came with papers and sequins and toppers, even foam. I don't want to call them dots, but, you know, foam squares to lift things up. And I thought it'd be fun to make a card. And I have a best friend that I have had, well, since I was 3 days old, actually. And I thought I would make her a birthday card. So happy birthday, Liz. I'm sorry it's late. So I just took a card blank. I want mine to open this way. And I cut down a piece of gold paper, and it's just 1/4 inch less all the way around than my card. And then I took one of the papers out of the, the kit. And I cut that as 1/4 less down than my gold. And then I had this that I wanted to use on your special day. That came out of the kit. And then I had stamped a giraffe, and yes, he is vibrantly colored, but that's because I don't know how to color. And then I stamped the, I almost called him a donkey. Oh my God. I stamped the zebra. Oh, and look at this. I stamped a sun, and then I just kind of cut out little, I don't know, wavy edges to the sun. And then I had this in my stash. I love this, never use it. It was the big thing a while back. So I decided that I would use it on this card. And looking at the card, I know I want this somewhere kind of, I don't know, down here maybe. You're right about there. And then I want to have the green being underneath going this way. And I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do that, if I'm going to wrap it around the back or not. But we'll find out, won't we? And by the green, I mean this pretty stuff here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and adhere our gold down. Actually, you know what? Nope, let's do it. Let's just adhere our gold down. So I'm just going to glue this down. I'm not putting tons of glue on it. I just kind of want enough that it doesn't fall off. And I'm going to center it to the best of my ability, which might not be so hot today. That looks okay. And then I think I'm going to take my pretty green stuff, and I need 3 links, and I cut it much longer than what I need, but I did that because I want it to be able to wrap around behind or cut off. I'm not sure. So I'm going to take my trim, and oh gosh, it's so floppy, isn't it? I'm going to put glue on the leaves, and I'm going to hope that this will look okay. If it doesn't, I will go out and buy Liz a Hallmark. Let's see if I glued enough leaves. Nope, I think I need to glue a couple more leaves. I'll do 3 more, okay. Then I'm going to position my leaves. And just give them a press right down. Okay, I did have 1 leaf too many. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I will glue up 13 more leaves. I'm gonna lay, oh, I think 1 just maybe slightly crisscrossed. I'm not sure. Let's see how that looks. That might look okay. So if I lay 1 slightly crisscrossed here, I don't have enough hands. Then I would need to lay 1 slightly crisscrossed there. I think I can go for that. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and glue those in place, and then we'll see what we have from there. So I have my greenery glued on, and now I just need to do something to clean it up. I could either cut off the edges and go for it, or I can turn it over, which I'm going to do. And I'm just going to glue them down and hope that they'll stay without adding too much bulk. If you don't like having to deal with the leaves on the back, you can just cut them off. I'll show you what I mean on the next side. Actually, I'll show you what I mean right here. This little leaf, he's bent, so I don't like him. So I can either just cut the leaf off, or I can just cut the stem. In this case, I'll just cut the stem. This one just has a little tiny bit of stem to fold over. That's just fine and dandy for me. Oops. As long as it sticks. Here we go. So this one, the leaf would be kind of fiddly to fold. So I'm just going to take my scissors and just cut it right off. And as you see, it doesn't do anything to the ribbon. All right, I'm just going to fold it over. You don't have to have all these long ends if you don't like them. You can cut them right off. It's just whatever you want. They don't bother me, and I am a lazy crafter. Just lay these down, lay them across. I'm going to let those set up just for a second. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to do next. If I'm going to glue my tropical panel down next onto my gold, or it just kind of depends. I'm going to just trial everything, see what I like. So I was going to put the giraffe there, and I was going to put my zebra here. Then I wanted to lift that up on Pop Dots, and I think I will just go ahead and glue it straight down to the tropical. Oh, but you know what might look nicer? Is if I pop it up on Pop Dots. So let's do that. I'm just going to apply these foam dots, And these are the ones that did come in the magazine. So I'm just going to stick these all over my guys, and then I will also peel the backing off of them before I come back on. I have put the foam dots on the back. Oh, another thing I did, just so you know, is when I made my giraffe and my, keep wanting to call him a donkey, the zebra, I also used some Nouveau glaze. Well, I used the crystal drops, and I just put it on here, and then I used my finger and just kind of rubbed it in and let it dry, and that's why I got a nice shine. And not only did I get a nice shine, but my paper's a lot sturdier now. And then as it was drying, I took some crystal glitter that I had super fine and just kind of dropped it in there so that it would dry on there. And I don't know if you're able to see in the camera, but it does glitter a tiny bit. All right, so now I'm going to, I've taken all the sticky backs off. I'm going to just lay my giraffe on top. Give him a little press down. And then on my zebra here, I'm going to line him up with the edge. Oops. And press him down as well. I like the way that the giraffe really pops. The zebra, I'm not so sure about. I thought I could do him in pink and blue, but then I got afraid because my pink didn't match. My blue sort of matched, but I decided I would just go traditional zebra. So Liz, the flashy giraffe is you, and the zebra is me. I'm going to put my sun there, and I think I might also put my sun on a pop dot, because I think that might be fun. So I'm just going to stick it right there. And I'll just position the sun right about there. I don't know, I could move the sun if I don't like it later. And then I'm going to take the sentiment on your special day, which, like I said, was also in the kit. And I'm just going to see where I like it, because I might not like it anywhere. I think I'll just put it on like that. And I don't really think I need any pop dots because it's getting dimension from all the ribbon and the leaves where they met. So I will do that. Let me know in the comments below, how long is your longest friendship? Like I said, mine is 65 years, which is pretty awesome. Okay. Well, it's professionally done, but done with love. And now I am just going to put that on there. If I wanted to, I could add some extra dimension, but I don't think it needs it. I like it the way it is. So I'm just going to put the glue on the back. I don't really need that much glue, but that's okay. And I am using my Nouveau glue. Art glitter glue is wonderful too, but man, that sucker sticks down there fast. This at least gives me a tiny bit of wiggle room. Got a little glue seepage. If you have a baby wipe, you can just wipe it right off. I use my fingers because I'm high tech. There, I think that's really cute. I like that. I am not a card maker, so I do not know how to make cards. But with this kit, it was super easy, and I liked it. And I just like the theme. I love, love, love the African theme. And I love the animals, and it's just beautiful. Look at that background. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me see if I can get it in a better light. Nah, I don't think I can. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it more than you know. Have a good day.